Hematology research updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. AstraZeneca's Calquence in combination with bendamustine and rituximab has been recommended for approval in the European Union for previously untreated mantle cell lymphoma in patients ineligible for transplant. The ECHO Phase 3 trial showed a 27% reduction in disease progression or death compared to chemotherapy alone, with a median progression-free survival of 66.4 months versus 49.6 months. Calquence is poised to become the first BTK inhibitor approved for first-line MCL in the EU. Yingli Pharma has received FDA clearance to initiate a global Phase 3 trial of linperlisib in relapsed or refractory peripheral T-cell lymphoma. The trial will compare linperlisib to physicians' choice of standard care. Phase 2 data demonstrated high response rates and good tolerability, with more than 165 patients treated worldwide. Enrollment is expected to begin in the second quarter of 2025. The UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence has approved brentuximab vedotin, or Adcetris, in combination with chemotherapy for untreated stage 3 or 4 CD30-positive Hodgkin lymphoma. Based on Echelon-1 trial data showing improved progression-free and overall survival compared to standard chemo, the regimen is now available through the NHS Cancer Drugs Fund, benefiting an estimated 800 patients annually. Xcellbio's Avatar system has been licensed by Bluebird Bio to support commercialization of LYFGENIA, a gene therapy for sickle cell disease. The platform replicates patient-specific microenvironments to optimize potency assays and enhance treatment predictability. It is designed for patients aged 12 and older with recurrent vaso-occlusive crises. Sanofi's Rilzabrutinib has received orphan drug designation from the FDA for warm autoimmune hemolytic anemia and IgG for related disease. This oral BTK inhibitor has shown glucocorticoid-sparing effects and clinical responses in Phase 2 trials. Rilzabrutinib is also under regulatory review for immune thrombocytopenia in the United States, European Union, and China, with potential to become the first approved treatment for both conditions. A compassionate use study of MDC CAR-BCMA-001 CAR-T therapy in multiple myeloma and AL amyloidosis reported an 83% overall survival at 12 months. 4 of 6 patients achieved complete response with no observed neurotoxicity, including those with high-risk and organ-compromised profiles. These outcomes support the initiation of the CARLOTA-001 and CLEAR-AL trials. A study of 6,500 patients in Japan with acute myeloid leukemia found that the FLU/BU4 conditioning regimen significantly improves 3-year overall survival compared to conventional myeloablative regimens. In older adults, particularly those aged 50 to 59 transplanted in complete remission. The treatment-related mortality was lower, with no increase in relapse or graft-versus-host disease. Researchers have developed a CRISPR-based diagnostic capable of early detection of acute promyelocytic leukemia, a rapidly progressing but highly curable form of blood cancer. This new method may allow timely intervention, potentially saving lives, and could serve as a model for broader CRISPR-based diagnostics in hematology. Preclinical studies have identified LILRB1 as a new CAR-T target for CD19-resistant blood cancers. LILRB1-directed CAR-T cells demonstrated efficacy in B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma, even after failure of CD19 and CD20 therapies. Additional data suggests activity in monocytic AML, offering hope in relapsed and antigen loss cases. Amneal Pharmaceuticals and Shilpa Medicare have launched Buruzu, a ready-to-use bortezomib injectable for multiple myeloma and mantle cell lymphoma. The formulation eliminates the need for reconstitution, improving pharmacy workflow. It is now available in the United States with a unique J-code, streamlining reimbursement processes and expanding access. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.